Okay, now we have another Chanel bag. As we see, like many other luxury bags, they use low quality fox leather interior. The outside is lamb skin, so it is in good condition still. We need to change this interior, this part. We cannot change this part because there is authenticity logo and serial number, so we need only to paint these edges, little touch up here and there. Just change this one and this one, and I should open all this all along. This is the tool I made for myself, very sharp and very tiny for such purposes. Should be very careful not to damage the bag.